Husika lazima sheria ichukuliwe.
Vikundi viwili vya watu wa jamii ya Wahindi kutoka eneo la Westlands wakijulikana kama Rajasthan Association of Kenya na East Africa Rajput Samaj leo wamempokeza mbunge wa Westlands Tim Wanyonyi vyakula ambavyo vinatarajiwa kufaidi familia zipatazo 9,000. Vyakula hivyo vinatarajiwa kutumika na familia hizo kwa kipindi cha majuma matatu.
Giving 3 ungas, 6 kg. These are 3.
Yeah, 3
sugar, dengu, cooking oil, and salt.
Rajasthan Association of Kenya and Rajput Association of Kenya participated in that jointly, and we arranged this food products for 6,000 people.
Everyone is suffering because of this disease, and Kenya also is suffering because a lot of business is gone down, and a lot of people who are earning daily and eating daily are affected too much.
I'm requesting to everyone, at least you can adopt in this critical time at least 1 or 2 family who you are, if you are able, you are capable to adopt in this critical. So 2-3 months, if you give little bit money, those people they are living in slums and they don't have job right now.
If we want to sustain and maintain this and contain this coronavirus, we must support each other, so that what the government is saying, that we stay at home, you can only stay at home when you have something to eat. If you don't have food, it will be very difficult for people to stay at home. Otherwise, they will want to come out to go and look for food. So what we are doing here, we shall go and supply, and we are going to give them at home. We are not going to encourage anybody to come out. We are going to give this food at home to the families. So the families will not be encouraged to come out of their homes. We have got our coordinators and our youth